Hey y'all, and welcome back to Organically Designed. This is another edition of Hot Mess Tips where we talk about simple tips to keep things organized and tidy. I thought it was only fitting that since we're talking about bathroom tips today and how we can keep it neat and tidy and things under control, that I would have us hanging out in my bathroom. So I'm going to take y'all through a few things that I do in my home that makes things much easier to keeping my bathroom tidy. I feel like with 5 people in my household, the bathroom can be one of those places that is extremely hard to keep clean. Not only that, there's some pretty nasty stuff that goes on in the bathroom. We're using the bathroom, we're taking showers, we're changing clothes, changing in and out of like workout clothes, work clothes, brushing our teeth, okay? So like things are next level. So I want to tell y'all a few things that will help you keep those spaces organized and neat for the most part in between those major cleanings. Number 1 is keeping the countertops clean. Whether this be in the bathroom, the kitchen, or anywhere else in your home, one of my major tips in making things appear neater than maybe they actually are is having a clean counter space. A clean counter space gives you that visualization that things are not chaotic, things are neat and tidy, and things are clean. Even between those deep scrub downs that you do in your bathroom, I only clean my bathroom maybe once a week. I'll keep things wiped down here and there, but keeping my countertops clean are a huge part of making my bathrooms appear to be cleaner than maybe they actually are. Number 2 is adding things to cabinets, closets, drawers, anything that you have in your bathroom that makes the things more categorically pleasing in a sense. So what you want is baskets, bins, trays, drawers, stacking bins, anything that actually like brings some height to your cabinets. If your cabinets are like mine, I have absolutely no shelves in them. So I'm going to show you some of the things that I've added in to my bathroom that keeps things super manageable, things in my closet that have been great. And be sure to check out the description below because I'm going to show you the video that got all of this stuff organized and under control. My bathroom was not as efficiently organized as it is now until I did that, but adding in all sorts of different things to the cabinets and adding some height to things, adding things that rotate, adding stuff that's like stackable drawers, those things are amazing and super inexpensive. Most of the things that I have are things that I've had for a long time, things that I got for $5 or less, and a lot of this stuff you could find at the Dollar Tree. You can find stacking drawers. I have the little mini stacking drawers in my kids' bathroom. I have bins in my kids' bathroom. But just being able to mix it up and really categorize things is really the key to being able to manage. Because if everything has a home, then you have somewhere to put it every time you're done using it. So, and that also helps in keeping those countertops clean. So going back to my number 1 tip. The last of my top 3 bathroom tips for keeping things under control are cleaning kits and having one in the bathroom. I cannot emphasize the amount of times I've had something happen with a toddler having an accident or a kid getting sick in the middle of the night. Parents, y'all know what I'm talking about. But being able to have a cleaning kit right here in the bathroom with me makes things so much easier. And on top of that, I always feel like, oh, I don't want to clean because I have to run and go get this and run and go get that. I have to carry all this stuff upstairs with me. So having a cleaning kit in each of my full bathrooms makes things super easy and cuts out the excuses for not wanting to get something done. And I'm like, I really can't have an excuse if I don't want to hurry up and clean this bathroom and do a little like 20-minute cleanup in here and scrub it all down really well because I've got it all in here. The only thing I ever have to bring up with me is maybe my vacuum, a Swiffer, and things like that. But then most of the time I can really just wipe up the floor if I need to. So having that, and I'll be sure to link below some of my other cleaning kits that I've put on videos and how I've created those and what I keep in my cleaning kits, but I'll also showing you an overview of all of that as well. I'm going to leave y'all with an extra little bonus tip. If you're like me and have things in a cabinet in front of you, like a medicine cabinet, what a lot of people do is sometimes overfill them with all of their skincare stuff, like maybe not the stuff that they use every day. So this is my tip for you, is to make sure that the stuff that's eye level is the stuff that you're using consistently every day. And then maybe tearing those things off to maybe like a once a week regimen, or something that you don't use but every so often if you don't have enough space below to store it. So keeping things that you use the most at eye level and then having little containers to put them in definitely helps keep things more manageable, and it keeps you from digging around the other stuff and messing up all the fun organization you've already set up for yourself. So thank y'all so much for joining me on another edition of Hot Mess Tips. I hope that some of these tips have helped y'all out and make things that much easier in your home. Be sure to hit that like button if you enjoy this video. Comment below and let me know if you have any more awesome tips for your bathroom and what you do to keep things more manageable and under control. As always, stay organically you, and I will see you on the next one.